How to fix Valorant HVCI Enabled Error. Hey everyone! In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable HVCI for Valorant, or fix the annoying HVCI Enabled error that pops up on Windows 11 or Windows 10. If Valorant refuses to launch or keeps giving you that message, don't worry. This simple step-by-step guide will help you get it sorted out in just a few minutes. Alright, let's jump right in. First, right-click the Windows Start button on your taskbar and choose Settings. Once the Settings window opens, look at the menu on the left side and click Privacy and Security. Now at the top, select Windows Security. Under the section labeled Protection Areas, click on Device Security. In the Device Security window, find the Core Isolation section and click Core Isolation Details. Here's the important part. Look for the option called Memory Integrity. If it's turned off, simply toggle it on. But if you don't see the Memory Integrity option at all, that means hardware virtualization is currently disabled on your PC. You'll need to enable it in your BIOS. There are lots of tutorials online showing exactly how to do this safely. Once you've turned on memory integrity, go ahead and restart your computer. After your PC boots back up, launch Valorant again and check if the HVCI enabled error is gone. In most cases, that's all it takes to fix the issue. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment letting me know it worked for you.